In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a triangle in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Home tab, and then above Drawing, you want to click the little down arrow. And where it says Recently Used Shapes, it should be at the top here. You can go ahead and select the triangle. You can also get it from underneath the flow chart here too. Go ahead and select that, and then just put it into your presentation. And you can adjust the height and width over here at the size over here on the right. If you want to make them exactly the same, you're welcome to. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.